I'm very grateful that more people are waking up, scientists and doctors are speaking out, even though they run risk of being banned from social media and other platforms. More data is coming out by the day, even though we have this data since 40 years ago when the 5 biological laws were discovered by Dr. Hammer, and he spoke out to the medical society explaining how germs, virus, bacteria, fungi are not the causing agents of infection or inflammation. They are present there, but they are not necessarily the cause of it. This theory was present even before the theory of Louis Pasteur of infection. Back then, there was two propositions. One, that the germ is the one that causes inflammation and infection, and the other one, that the terrain is what determines if a germ will grow or not. The pharmaceutical industry took the theory of the germ, therefore created many medications, patents, and a big business out of it, which still is running today, and we're seeing it more than ever with what we're facing globally right now. Now, there's some details that have not yet been spoken out related to the role, the function of these microorganisms, because each kind of microorganism has a different function in the body. More than 60, even up to 90% of the cells of our body are made up by these microorganisms, and they have a different function. Mycobacteria and fungi usually have a specific purpose of cleansing, cleaning up all the debris when we go through an inflammatory process and there is tissue that needs to be removed. They have a specific purpose that they are helping us to cleanse all of this out of our body. Now, it's very different from another type of bacteria, and especially viral particles. Viral particles, as we know, are a protein capsule with genetic material. It's information, basically, that helps to communicate between cell to cell. And this information is very useful, especially during an inflammatory process of certain tissues of the body, in order to know how to repair the tissue. This tissue needs to be repaired after it has gone through an intense and long period of stress. When this stress is finished, when the person shifts something in their life, and that part of the body can relax, then it needs to go through a repairing process. And the viral particles are essential for this rebuilding of the tissue. They help to transmit information from cell to cell, and also they help providing protein material, which are the building blocks of tissue in the body. Now, all these microorganisms are not really our enemies. They are part of our body. As a matter of fact, we are part of them, because we are made up more of microorganisms than of our own personal cells. So all this fear that's going all over the planet against one individual virus is not exactly sustained by science, especially modern science. So I really encourage all of you to do your research, to follow doctors and scientists that are speaking about this. Dr. Thomas Cowan, Dr. Christian Northrup, Dr. Zach Bush, and many others that are speaking with incredible science behind their backs about all of this information, which of course is being banned everywhere, but do your own research. And this will help you to be empowered, because everybody has been disempowered by so much fear. So I invite you to research, to empower yourself, and gain a bit more updated information.